Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
Hi, I am the owner of this channel. I am so excited to be your teacher. Welcome to our kindergarten class. We are going to have so much fun together. We will learn lots of new things. Do you like to play games? We will play games and learn at the same time. Do you enjoy drawing and coloring? We will do lots of art projects. We will also read many wonderful stories. Do you like story time? I have lots of fun books to share with you. We will sing songs and dance too. Do you like to sing? I can't wait to hear your beautiful voices. We will also learn about numbers and letters. Do you know your ABCs? We will practice our ABCs and 1 to 3 every day. We will make new friends in our class. Everyone is a friend in our classroom. We will learn how to share and be kind to each other. We will go on exciting adventures together. Sometimes we might go on field trips. We will explore and discover new things. Our classroom is a happy place. You can always ask questions if you need help. Let's have a wonderful journey in kindergarten. I am here to help you learn and grow. I am so happy to be your teacher.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.